Hey everyone, welcome to this week's edition of Under the Hood. Today we've got the Lexus RX. Look at that, this is the copper color. It's a beauty. It's a 2024, this one's only got 300 miles. It's a new car. You got 19-inch wheels. Look at the new design for 2024. All the way around, just a nice clean shape, nice clean design, what Lexus is known for. Really quiet inside. This one has a 4-cylinder turbo, which makes 275 horsepower. So they're just getting more and more efficient with these 4 cylinders and quiet as can be while driving around. But let's take a look inside. Just turn it on, push the button up here, it's way up top. We've got fancy little welcoming designs, digital display that can be changed. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, voice commands, all your controls here for your phone. You've got your stereo controls all here, memory seats, fuel tank, button to open up the back. Down here, you see that little green light, you got wireless charging station, you got more storage under here, lightning chargers here. You get the little nice thing here is in the winter, these are all textured and rubberized, so you can use your controls without having too much trouble. But you got a 14-inch screen on this. This is the upgraded premium package, and very clear and pretty. The interior is just amazing. Just, you can't hear anything outside. Doesn't have the big sunroof, but does have a sunroof. And you got heated steering wheel, heated seats, ventilated seats. Tons of options through here. We can really bore ourselves with that. But you got driving assists, drive mode, trip information, all-wheel drive, tire pressure. You can change how it drives, sport, normal, eco, all the way around. Just a home run. Just to give you an overview of the interior. Just a beautiful car. This one stickers for $57,545. Has the cold weather package. It's got power rear door with the kick sensor. It's got a sunroof up there. You got charging stations right here, rear heat controls, plenty of space, just super soft and comfortable seating. They come with the rubber mats, but look at this, little touches. Now there's no door handle, it's more like a button. Everything's kind of evolving over time, right? Let me know if you'd like to take a look at this one. It shouldn't be here very long, but happy to take you for a drive. Give me a call.